Hello, my dear students. Yesterday we have read about this chapter number 2. I have explained in video chapter number 2, and today we will do the exercises of this chapter, first exercise and second exercise, and we will see the notes which we will write in our copy. You have to write these notes in your copy. So we will read it in this video. We will see all these problems in this video. See what we have to do in this here in the first exercise. Identify the subject in each sentences. One has been done for you. See, we have to identify the subject in each of the sentences, and we have to underline the subject in these all sentences. See the first one. The little princess walked to the door. The little prince walked to the door. See here. Who walked to the door? The answer is the little princess. So, the little princess here is subject. See the second one. Study seriously. In this one, in this second sentence, there is you can't see clearly any subject here, but here if we think with our own mind, then subject is you here. To whom we will say it? Study seriously. If someone is in our front, to them only we will say it. So subject you is here. Okay. See the third one. The young painter from the district is very talented. See, who is very talented? The young painter. So the young painter is subject here. Now the fourth one. Anya and her dog run on the beach every morning. Anya and her dog run on the beach every morning. Who runs on the beach every morning? Anya and her dog. So Anya and her dog are subject here. Now the fifth one. Obey your teacher. Obey your teacher. Subject is you here. Why? Because we can't see you. We can't see you is present, but if we are saying this, even this line to anyone, this sentence to anyone, ordering this sentence to anyone, then it means that someone is in front of us. So generally you is taken in this kind of sentences. You as a subject is taken in these kinds of sentences. Now the sixth one. The guilty should be punished. Who should be punished? The guilty. So the subject is the guilty here. Okay. Seventh one. Down fell the apples from the tree. Down fell the apple from the tree. The apple is subject here. Now the eighth one. Do you take me for an idiot? So what is the subject here? Here you is the subject. Here you I haven't done, but you is subject here. Who is idiot? Who about whom it is being talk? It is you. You is subject here. Ninth number. The scientist was always observed in his work. The scientist, who is observed in his work? The scientist. Okay. So the scientist is subject here. 10th number. Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox. We are talking about the quick brown fox. So it is subject here. You all have to do it. If you are all are having the books, then you will do it in your book. Other than that, just see it and understand this all. Okay. Number B. Provide meaningful subject and for this predicate. Boys have fallen ill after the function. It will be given, these all subjects I have given with my own, so you don't have to be worry. You can give any of the subject, the suitable subject. Okay, I have given boys. Okay, see the second one. We will be late for school. The lion roamed the jungle in search of food. I walked into the room casually. Fifth number is here. Will be held at in the evening. Here the meeting will be held. Okay, the meeting. What about we are talking? Meeting. So the meeting. See, I am writing here the meeting. Now, sixth. Kavita gave me a book. We play hockey every morning. Amit, if it can be changed also, but that should be suitable. That should be meaningful subject. Okay. The girl sang melodiously during the show. I love cricket. These all have been done for you. You will note it in your copy. You will make a copy of grammar, and you will. This is chapter number 2, subject and predicate of class 6, and all the boys and girls of class 6 will do it in your copy. Now we will see the notes. Notes has been made for you. See, chapter number 2, subject and predicate, class 6, English grammar. Subject. You have to define the subject. The part of, what is subject? The part of the sentence which tells us who or what the sentence is about is called the subject. Okay, are you getting? The answer in the if a sentence is given, the answer which gives who has done, about whom is being said, that is the subject of the sentence. Okay, I hope you are getting my points. Now see the second one, predicate. What is predicate? The rest of the sentence is called the predicate. Leaving the sentence subject aside, the rest of the sentence becomes the predicate. See here, the tiger, here it is subject, and lives in the jungle. Leaving this aside, this all becomes the predicate. Lives in the jungle become the predicate. One more thing about the predicate. Predicate tells us about the subject. Okay, it tells us what subject is doing. It tells about the subject. See, some examples have been given for you. See, subject, predicate, you have to make column and rows. See, subject, I will go to the market. Dogs are barking. We are playing together. We are playing together. It is together. TOGETHER. Okay, students, you will make the notes of chapter number 2, subject and predicate, class 6 children. Okay, hope you are getting my all points. Thank you. Have a nice day.